Hello everyone. So today we are going to look at the Alteryx Designer user interface. So let's get started. So overall, we have these list of panes in Alteryx Designer that we need to understand to work properly with Alteryx Designer tool. So first we have workflow canvas, and then we have a search, then main menu, tool palette, configuration window, workflow. In under the workflow, we have tool connection, results window, interface designer, and overview window. So I'll go through in detail in for each of these interface. So let's get started with uh, workflow canvas. So what is workflow canvas? So let's see in our Alteryx designer. Whenever you open Alteryx, this is how the page will be displayed. So there will be a start here, documentation where you can see how you can get started with Alteryx. And also there is a configuration pane here. So now let's see what is a workflow canvas. So let me click on this new blank workflow tab here. So this opens our workflow canvas. So this is the area where we can drag all these tools and create a workflow. So the area where I have dropped my input data tool is the area called workflow canvas. So we can build our workflow and then save our workflow. So workflow is an area where you build workflows, like you can drag different tools and build your data pipeline. And also when you save a workflow, it will be saved in YXMD file type. So let me show you how you can save your workflow. So let's say we have a workflow. So I'm adding the text input. So let me add a sample data. So from text input, I can add my sample data here. Now I can save my workflow. So don't worry about this. There is nothing here right now. So to build a workflow, you need to gather various different tools and finally save it to the certain output. But right now for this sample purpose, I'm not adding anything, just saving our workflow. So go to the main menu option, click save. So it will ask you to save your workflow. So you can save my workflow. So this will save in YXMD file. Click save. So if you change something in your workflow and you have not saved it yet, so there will be a asterisk mark that will be displayed here. So go to file and click save. Also, you can duplicate your workflow by right clicking on the workflow tab and say duplicate. So let's say I have closed my all workflows, and if you want to open an existing workflow, say right click on workflow tab and say open containing folder, and from here you can open your workflows. Okay, so this was in brief about workflow canvas in Alteryx. Thanks for watching.